Good morning, friends. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is Life in the Piedmont. My name is Tina. And today we're going to skip Grandma's recipe for today because I am part of a collaboration called Healthy Snacks 2026. This collaboration is hosted by Mountain Grandma, Tammy, Gail Southern Living, and Heather over at Milk and Honey Heritage Farm. They all have playlists, and this is just about giving you different options, maybe inspiring you or encouraging you to just make ahead some healthy snacks for you and your family to grab and go versus grabbing something else that may not be so healthy. So let's get into the kitchen so we can get started on our healthy snack. It is a really easy snack this time. I think you're really gonna like it. And as I have been trying to do is use what's in season right now. And so that's what I'm working on right now. We have strawberries in season, so we are gonna make our healthy snack using strawberries. So follow me into the kitchen. All right, so for this, oops, let me get another bowl. Sorry about that, friends. That bowl was not clean looking. You're just gonna need a container to put this in, and you can do one or two things with this, okay? You can puree your strawberries up if you would like. I'm not. I'm gonna leave mine whole. I just picked these. These are fresh from a farm. The red completely through is how you know you have a true strawberry. If it's white in here like you buy at the grocery store, guys, those were picked so early and they're not fully ripe. That's why they don't have that sweetness of taste. So I am just going to slice up some strawberries. And like I said, you can get your immersion blender and puree them up too. Choice is yours. But I thought I would just slice these up because I love strawberries. I want all the flavor of strawberries, right, during strawberry season. The next thing you're gonna need is just some, now you can use a plain Greek yogurt, which I have here, or you can get one that is flavored like vanilla. That's all you're gonna need. I stuck with the plain so I can give it my own little seasonings. And there's not really any true measurement to this recipe. It's just whatever it is to your liking, okay? There we go. I tell you, you would think that that's sour cream, right? So once you have your strawberries and your Greek yogurt here, you're gonna come in with some local honey. And I have some local honey. And we are just gonna take it and we are going to drizzle some right there. And especially if you have local honey, you know, it really helps with your seasonal allergies in your area. And honey is just, it's a better alternative than, say, a sugar. So then we're gonna just mix all this together. And as you can see, this yogurt is very thick that it's just sticking to my spoon. That's why if you pureed it up, you could probably get, or puree it up, you could probably get a different consistency. Now, if you want, you can come in here with some vanilla, but I don't think I need vanilla because the strawberries are so sweet that by adding anything else, I think you're gonna take away from the true flavor of the strawberry is what I am going for. So, there's my healthy snack. Let's give it a test. So good. Creamy, a creamy texture because of the yogurt. The sweetness with the honey and the strawberries combined is absolutely perfect. And it's just really refreshing, I think, to your palate, and especially on hot days. So there's a really nice, easy, healthy snack that you can have. You can also add granola to this. So friends, I forgot, I do have some granola. It's a pretty healthy granola here too. So we are gonna, and it's chocolate. So chocolate, strawberry, honey. You can't go wrong with that, right? And what I like about this one, it comes in little clusters. So we're gonna sprinkle some granola in there. And we're gonna give another bite using the granola, the strawberries, and the yogurt. The crunch. Perfect. It truly just tastes so good. So like I said, the crunch, the creaminess, the sweetness between the honey and the strawberries. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this. Go check out all the playlists on either Tam and Gail or Heather's channel. And I will be trying to share out the videos as well. Thanks for joining me back in the kitchen. I hope next week, I hope to be back with one of Grandma's other recipes. But until then, we'll see you, friends. Have a great day. Be blessed.